I was diagnosed with PCOS. I was getting rashes, and I was told it was candida, and sometimes I would get acne, and also sometimes I would get bloated, digestive issues. My cycles were really long. Sometimes I would get headaches prior to starting my cycle, and then I would also just get cramps really bad. And since working with you, I don't even get cramps or headaches, and it's really cool because I know like a lot of people just think that that's like normal because they've just like lived with it that way their whole life, and it's just like, oh, it's just like super normal, but it's actually not normal.
Hmm.
And and you can get rid of it. So
And what symptom shifts did you see with our work together?
I don't really get bloating anymore. Um, my cycles have shortened. My mood is improved a lot, and also just like feeling less fatigued overall, like having more energy. Yeah, I don't really break out get or yeah, I don't really break out much anymore.
And the rashes and eczema?
Yeah, that's gone. That went away pretty quickly.
It's amazing how much you healed. That's awesome. And
Yeah.
so you did this naturally too, right?
Yeah, just just through everything that you helped me learn, just diet and exercise and lifestyle changes, and you know, having like a good sleep routine, and being, doing things to get your circadian rhythm on track. I have more energy. I have more energy and my mood is more stable. So life is just easier, um, whether I'm working or at home.
Cool. Any lessons that you want to note on that'll stick with you?
A lot of, I learned so much from the program, and it's just, you know, I just wish that more. I wish that is like how healthcare could be, and we could still have like other options if people wanted the other options, like they could do that too. But I just wish that there were more programs like this available for people because you get to learn how to take care of yourself, and so it's like it's super worth the money because you're leaving being imparted with lots of knowledge and basically becoming more empowered to like take care of yourself and do healthy things. And yeah, it's just a whole different way of life, honestly. Like,
That is so beautiful. Thank you for sharing.
yeah.
What would you tell people that are on the fence about purchasing the program?
Well, I would tell them you get to learn so much in the process that you can better take care of yourself in the future, and rather than always having to be reliant on somebody for every minor issue that pops up.
I am so grateful to be able to work with people like you and I think curiosity is one of the most powerful, just mindsets to have, and you're so curious and smart, and it's really cool watching you grow. I'm super grateful to be part of this journey with you. Super proud of you for how much you've gotten done, and yeah.
Awesome.
You know,
Thank you. That's really sweet. I'm really glad that I felt like it was really synchronistic that we met you. So um yeah, because I had wanted to work with a functional medicine practitioner for so long, and then it was just like, I don't know, it was just such a synchronicity to meet and be able to do this with you. So thank you.